Gary.
What's the size of that one? Let's double up.
10, 11 inches?
Double up. Double up. Here, I'm gonna go on those rocks over there.
Leave your bass on the hook. I'm about to get one. Dude, you're too close.
This is actually the fourth one. This is the fourth one I've caught standing here.
Oh, you're on a rock.
Yeah, I know.
I got you.
Dude, you just scared away a fish.
Yeah, do you want your thing back?
Can you get it back?
Yeah, we got this little guy.
I drop it.
All right. Nah. That's right there. Gonna trace right back. Ah, bro, don't hook me. I'm gonna go out here.
What?
Want me to go out there?
No.
No?
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, it would have been right in the blast zone.
No fish one?
Throw it in the middle.
Bro, there's very ton of bass over here.
Gary, ton of bass.
Where?
There.
Don't throw in the middle, son.
See, I caught a fish over there in that general direction.
Oh my god.
Do it.
What you got?
That's the same bass, bro.
Oh crap, it's on the pipe. Yeah, there. It's on that pipe. Right in there. You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. Oh, there's a little fishy.
Take it off.
Alright, I'm gonna...
All my help. Bunch of fish just jumped right there.
Let's
Wow.
see.
Whatever you want to call it. I'm swinging the... You know they're swinging the fish. Pay
Try
attention
over
to me.
there.
Pay attention to me. Come on.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
So many baby bass right here, dude.
let me get him.
That was so crazy. Did you see that?
I didn't see it.
They were
Oi.
all like right there.
Okay, let's have it as it.
What time is it?
It is 6:13. Alright.
I need a bass soon, bro.
Fishing at dusk. Okay, go over there by the duck. Just-
Wait, don't move. Go!
Oh yeah.
We're doubled up!
Oh yeah, baby.
Nice. Let me get a look at that thing. That's a nice thing. Let's look at that. Oh, the hook's not in very good.
Oh yeah, that is.
Oh, is it? It just look.
I just,
All right, let me hold him.
like-
Let me hold him. Another fish.
Cameraman don't hold fish.
I know. I'm giving them a close up.
Cameraman don't hold fish, bro.
All right, that is
that
a
close up?
nice fish. It's got a little blood.
Really?
That's all right. Yeah, just on top.
Oh wow.
What are we gonna do?
Come back.
There he goes on his journey to the afterlife.
Journey after.
Do it. Okay. See, they're the small ones are hanging right in here, but you can get the big ones like right.
Yeah, but it takes.
Not quite in the middle, but like the middle of the middle.
Walk
Come on.
over here with me.
Is it that hard to get one out?
Yeah, that one. That hook is.
I know, but
Back up.
little pipe, breaking plastic cups.
Don't break the pipe though. Get that action right there.
That's the spot to
Get
be.
that action.
You got that? Is it? Yeah. Oh wait, give it.
There's a bass over here, Gary. There's a bass over here.
Then throw your line there.
He can't.
Oh. That's a next boy.
Bro, get off my line.
Bro, my shoes are destroyed.
Don't be.
Yeah.
Bro, We're gonna kill the dang thing.
He.
Don't record it. Don't. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Throw your line right out there. There's the splash right in there.
Shit.
I know. I tripped for that thing too.
Oh yeah, there it is. Look.
Yours. I'm just waiting for that slap. Just gonna pull back.
No, okay.
This is what I tripped on right there.
That's what I tripped on.
This little thing?
Yeah.
Oh dang, that's insolid. Like there's little nests.
See, being the cameraman's a good thing, right?
Yep. I mean, if I get that GoPro, I can do a better job. That's gonna be the spot. Usually I hit it right at the duck over there.
The dog.